Hello, dear friends. Today we are going to see the pit modeling and duck bank modeling. Okay, here I will teach what are the methods we are following for the pit modeling. First, I am making one square. Example 3 meter by 3 meter. Okay. Now I am going to place a wall thickness. I am giving some 250. Height will be 3 meter. Shape here I am using left or right corner. So I am placing the wall. Okay, now you can see like this. Here it's not snapping correctly, so that's why it like this. I can delete and I can do again. This wall you cannot modify. Once you placed, you have to delete and you have to redraw again. If size changes anything, you have to delete and redraw again. Now I'm just placing again. Okay, like this, and I'm ending like this. I'm clicking right click button. I'm closing the wall. For bottom, we need to model a slab. Okay, here already we put one rectangle, some square is there. So just give the thickness and identify the element. It will come inside or downside like this. So this is one method of pit modeling, and we can see the another model also without placing the wall. Okay, I will teach you newly. Uh, Again same thing. I'm just placing a block. Okay, so I placed one block. I'm placing one more block. I'm moving this. This is bottom slab and this is the pit. Now we need to make a opening here. uh, for that I'm just making 2D square. I'm just doing this offset. Now I'm going to do, I'm going to do cut this portion uh, just by shape method. I'm identifying the solid. I'm clicking inside. Now I'm placing the shape from this point to this point, this point, this point, and this point. So I'm just right clicking, right click and exit. Close the element. Okay, because I clicked so many times. So I'm placing again. See, I'm identifying the solid. Accept. I'm drawing the shape 1, 2, 3, 4. Again this corner. Just click close element. Finish. Now you can see the pit here. Both the walls came. Bottom slab came. So this is another method of modeling the pits. Now we will see the duct bank modeling. Okay, I am going to place a slab, length of some around 10 meter, width will be around 1.5 meter, height will be some, this will be around same. Okay, instead of this I can show you without giving the sizes in slab. I'm just modeling here. It's 1.5 by this side 2 meter depth. This is the cross view of the um, duct bank. Now I am going to place the sleeves also. I'm just marking the line. First from edge it's 300. Again this side I'm giving 300. From the bottom it's again 300. Here one circle, here one sleeve, in between one sleeve, and here again another 0.6. Now I'm going to place a circle here, diameter of 0.3 dia. Okay, now what to do? First I need to cut the circle into half. I'm just selecting this. I'm using trim command. I'm trimming this portion. Okay, now we got semicircle. What we have to do? I need to mirror this. Mirror, vertical, make copy. Okay, now two pieces of circle is there. We need to make it a group like this, complex, create complex shape. Select this, accept. This is for making circular opening. Okay, I'm just making this circle here. I'm just copying this to this location also. Now I am deleting the lines. Now we will see what to do next. Now this is my duct bank. Okay, I'm going to place a slab now. Thickness I am giving just 10 meter. Identify element. Select again. I am selecting this box. I am clicking accept. You can see this coming this side. If you right click here, the face will change. Now this side is bottom face. I am rejecting here. You can see face will be changed, top face. If you want this side, you can give top face. If you want this side, again you click right click. This will come like this. Okay, and now left click and accept it. I am accepting this. Now how to make the opening in the DB? So I place this 4 circles here. In center also I need to make one circle. If required, you can make. Now I'm select all the circles. You can see 6 elements. Copying, I'm just giving the copy element. Copy, endpoint, moving this side, enter. This place I copied to this location also. Now you can see in the isometric view. Okay, you can see like this. Now how to place the opening? Now go to place holes. Here identify element. First you select the member. I am identifying this slab. Then I am identifying this by middle click, by snapping this circle. I accept. Again middle click, left button, See, so I got this opening. Again, middle button, you can see middle button, it's not snapping properly, so I maximize this window. See, so I am selecting the member, middle button, left button, middle button, left button. Okay, now again selecting this slab, middle button, left button, left button, middle, left, left. Okay, now we place this three holes. Again, I am selecting this object, middle button, left button, left button, again middle button, left button, left button. Okay, I'm selecting this, middle button, left button, left button, middle, left, left. One more opening. I'm selecting this, accept, middle button, left button, left button. Again middle button, left button, left button. So we place the openings. Now I am deleting all the 2D elements here. Here also. Okay, now we modeled pit in two different types, and we model the duct bank also with opening. Now I can render this. I can show you what we have modeled. You can see the pit here. This is in wall, so it is different color. This everything in the slab, so all looks same color. Now this is the duct bank. You can see by clicking the front view. You can see the opening. So this is a way we are modeling the pits and duct banks in the PDS Framework Plus. Now I am going to change the length. Yes, you can copy this wherever you want, like this. See, I'm just giving copy. Click OK. You can select whatever you want. Copy all holes because we have modeled the holes also. Copy with member name if you want. You can click the member name. Now I am giving this 3 copies here. Every 6 meter, just I'm giving just 6 meter, so it copied 3 times. Now I want to change the length of this dBs along with holes. Simply you can change by modify thickness command. Sorry, this one, modify thickness command. Now I given 10 meter here. You can measure and check. Okay, 10 meter. Some location it's 12 meter, so I want to change this 12 meter. I'm just selecting this duct bank. I'm clicking left button, accept. See, length is increased to 12 meter along with the holes. Along with the holes also it will increase. No need to place the holes again. Okay, now I want to increase this one by 15 meter. 15 meter. I'm selecting 15 meter, selecting this dB, left button, accept. Again I'm giving here 20 meter, selecting this, accept here. So I given here 20 meter. Okay friends, today we have seen pits and duct banks. Okay friends, thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you all. Bye.